So I got home and I found this lovely story here on the couch, written by my son. It's called How I Became a Parrot. And I looked at it and I couldn't resist putting it to song. So these are not my words, these are Maxwell's words, but I put it to music. One sunny day on the beach I was building. I built a tiny ship with sticks and sand with water because it was spring break. The parrot came to me and said, "What are you building?" "A tiny ship," I happily said. "Come with us and build a ship." Okay, so we sailed off. I love being a parrot. And they would not give me space, and they snored all night. It was so afraid I never even want to be a parrot again. At first I loved being a parrot because I did not even see voting a sig. I could swim whenever, and I got everything that I wanted. But now being a parrot is the worst thing in the world. So I went back home. I did not want to be a parrot at all. I laid on my bed. I hope you enjoyed.